How to mute someone on Instagram on Android. This tutorial shows you how to stop seeing someone's content without unfollowing them. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, find a post from the person you want to mute in your feed. From there, take them to their profile. At this stage, once on their profile, tap on the following button. From there, tap on mute and select whether you want to mute their posts, stories, or both. At this point, tap on mute to confirm, and their content will stop appearing in your feed right away. Here's an important note. Muting someone on Instagram does not notify them. They won't know you've muted them, and you'll still be following each other as normal. Finally, if you ever want to unmute someone, go back to their profile, tap on following, tap on mute, and toggle off whichever options you had enabled. Their content will start appearing in your feed again right away again. And that's it. If this guide helped you mute someone on Instagram, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.